Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Hope you're keeping safe. So today we have a new video I'm about to show you, but I had to show myself here so that I can emphasize on some things about the video. And the video itself is about upcycling food, if you can call it that. But generally, the video is about taking your leftovers and making a great brand new meal out of it. So stay tuned, keep on watching until the end to see how I did it, so you can also do it, because Aurelia's Kitchen is about gourmet all the way, and also we are in support of the SDGs. Definitely we are foodie, so we support the SDG number 2 that says zero hunger. So we are trying to eliminate hunger, yes, karibu ningoe. But yeah, we're trying to eliminate hunger by trying to recycle, or trying to, you cannot throw food that you're not eating or that hasn't gone bad. That is the narrative that I want to pass on around with this video. So stay tuned and don't go away. Keep on watching until the end to find out what it's all about. So I guess we'll just get started. So these leftovers are from a meal we had last night. It's a restaurant meal, so it's a bit well cooked, but since we ate yesterday and we couldn't manage to finish, I have to do something about it. I have to revamp the whole thing and come up with something new, something for brunch. My main target was for brunch, but you can have this meal for your picnics, majorly for your picnics or your brunches. So here are the things. So the first thing you want to do is chop up the fries into cubes. Then you just heat them up to produce the oil, because they already have their own oil. So you just heat them up to warm up and become crispy, and set them aside. So basically, we just want to revamp the fries into a potato skillet. So we'll just add the onions and the colored peppers and cook them up. Then just add the potatoes in. Remember, flavor is key in all your cooking. So for us, we added some herbs. We added some rosemary herbs. As you know, rosemary goes perfectly well with potatoes. So that's the seasoning of choice that we used. And also we used the chicken that was in the sandwich. We added it up into the potato to make the skillet. So you just want to cook this up until it's well done. Set this aside. Then you cook the next thing, which is the chicken wings. So originally the chicken wings were sweet and savory. We want to maintain that, only that you want to add flavor and make it a bit different. So here I added some soy sauce, some guava jam that I made. You can look up the recipe on my YouTube channel. We added some chili and some ginger. So you just want to cook this up into a paste and carefully coat the chicken wings in the sauce until they're well cooked and the coating is spread perfectly, and it's just yummy. You can just see it's just yummy to look at even before you taste it. Believe you me, the taste is to die for. To make is the sandwich, which is basically the bread which is left because you use the chicken. So we spread yogurt dip that we made previously. Also, it's also leftover. So we just grill this up on a buttered pan, and that's it. You just want it to crispen up just a little bit. Just like that, we have gone gourmet from leftovers. So this is the final presentation of the meals. We added cheese on the skillet potatoes to make a cheesy skillet potato. Then we made pumpkin soup just to complement the bread, and definitely can be had as a starter. Then our sweet and sour guava chicken wings. Then also we made a parfait. You can check this on our Instagram. We have a recipe for that. Then for the final thing, we made a fruit salad from a vegetable salad. The salad was an apple strawberry Caesar salad. The recipe is on my Instagram page. You can go check it out. So we transformed it into a fruit salad by adding some whipping cream and some condensed milk and drizzling over some Weetabix crumbs just to add the beauty and for presentation purposes. But yes guys, this is the final look of the foods, of the meals that we made. Everything here was as tasty as it looks. What do you think about this transformation, guys? Give me your comments on the comment section, and check out the description box for the links to the recipes of the other meals that I used here. So there are a few takeaways that I'm going to put up here about leftovers. Leftover meals are not bad meals. You can always revamp. And another thing, you can always add new things to your leftover menus to make something new. You don't have to use exactly what you have. You can add on, like what we did with the potatoes. We added the onions and the capsicum, which was not part of the leftover meal. We added a soup that wasn't part of it, but because you want to complement the meals, you have to do something extra for you to have good quality presentation and taste of food from your leftovers. So those are the takeaways I would give. So who would have imagined the leftovers that I showed you before we started would have ended up like this? Who? Tell me who. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope after this video you guys are going to get more creative with your meals. I hope you guys are going to get more interested in making new things out of your leftovers. You can do it. Just go ahead and think about it. Comment down below if you have any ideas. If you ever transformed any leftover to something else, you can also tag me on our social media platform. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Click on the bell to get notified whenever a new video is put up. Like, if you enjoy this video, go to the channel and check out all the other videos that I have for you to learn. These recipes are up for you guys to learn, and it's completely free of charge to subscribe, to watch. That's all I need you guys to do. And lastly, to share this content with your family and friends. Let others also learn from these videos by you sharing them. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe. Goodbye.